Hello, everyone. This year, TurboTax 2023 edition requires you to log in to Intuit so that this way you can enter your product license code. And when you do that, the license code, for instance, this is TurboTax Basic 2023, is associated with the login. So I activated this on one computer and it indicated 1 out of 5 active. This is the second computer and I activated it. I've been using H&R Block for many years and I also have been using TurboTax for many years. So this change in the year 2023, they actually want you to log in to your Intuit account. You enter your product license code. It gets saved onto your account. So when I wanted to do the TurboTax 2023 on this computer and activate it, I had to log in. It gave me a code to my email. I used that code, and then it identified that this account has a license code. Okay? So what I did here was I was unable to send any more e-files on this machine, which was the same for last year. So that means they put in the policy for 5 e-files per desktop software. So if I happen to have this software and install it on 5 machines, technically last year, I would have had 25 e-files from my friends and neighbors. This year, I tried to go and hit return. I tried to open another file, and it says you cannot e-file this return because you have already e-filed 5. So what I'm have to do is I did switch the product, which there's an option. Let's say I bought another version of basic or premium or home and business. So right now I don't want to log in because if it says 2 out of 5 active and I happen to click on that and I activate TurboTax on the same second computer, then I presumably will have this number changed to 3 out of 5. Now, that should not work because I already activated this. I just want to use another product. So hopefully, maybe I can use another product. As you can see, have another license code, add another code. So once I get another version of basic or premium, I'm going to add another code. And I will test out if with that new code, can I send 5 e-files on this second computer? Because that's a different desktop product. I have almost about 25 people in my neighborhood as well as my friends that I do this. So this is something that maybe you want to avoid getting into it TurboTax with this sign in, causing this license number to be there. If they did it the way previously, this license number would have been on 5 computers. 5 e-files times 5 computers were 25. Technically, if someone has a little bit of coworkers or classmates and they want to help out do taxes, you can do 25. But this way is not working. The other possibility is I will go and get H&R Block software, load that up, get their 5 e-files with the existing 5. That's 5 plus 5 is 20 and will work. That can be used on another software by removing it and adding another. So that technique maybe would work. You get 5 of H&R Block, delete that software, get another H&R block with different activation codes, and then that's how you can work it out. Just an idea that you will encounter inability to send more than 5 e-files on that license code. Even if you move it to another computer, you should get another 5, which was the way it was previously. So they're really cracking down where you got to buy another software. Everybody in the family has to have an account, maybe. So good luck figuring this out. If not, then you get H&R Block for another 5, or you try to set up things online. And of course, they got in trouble with free e-filing, TurboTax, but unfortunately, they were hit with fines because their product was not free e-filing. So this is something, if you're looking for 2023 activation license code, it's not going to work. By moving it to another computer, okay, fine. You can move it to another computer, print out 10, 20 taxes for the family, mail it out, but people want to do e-file. And of course, this is a requirement that the IRS only allows 5 e-file per software. But is it per machine? Is it if I buy 2 software packages, 2 different companies? That's 10. Have a good day.